Here's a newer Trane XR air conditioner at my friend's house. It's pretty much really quiet. It's got an Alliance scroll compressor, not a complete scroll, guys. It's pretty much brand new. That suction line is really cold and sweaty. This is outdoor temperature. Alright, this is 2016. That's a 3-ton. So yeah, I wonder if it's a heat pump because some reversing valves might be here. No, there's not no heat pump. This is a straight cool unit. Oh, here's a window unit. I'll go into for a sec. Yeah, so there was somebody there, so I can't get into it. But yeah, this is my friend's newer Trane. You know what? This is a 17 series, so it's pretty much a nice unit. Hand blades are moving smoothly. Sounds really nice, though. If I can get a startup shutdown, I will appreciate it. This data is really nice. Something I'm not sure if it's that or not. There's another unit right there. That's a Ream. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, kind of made up a new friend now. This is a 2016 Trane XR 3-ton air conditioner. Honestly, I don't know what this one replaced. It's got a Vive thermostat inside, or probably an air handler too. Straight cool unit. You can hear the units running, but yeah, this is a 2016 Trane XR air conditioner. I'll show you the inside. So yeah, here's the thermostat. Can't show you the indoor, so yeah.